Bhasha Sangam mobile app was developed by which of the following ministries? The correct answer is C, that is Ministry of Education. So, Bhasha Sangam mobile app was launched by Ministry of Education and Skill Development by Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. The 11th edition of the Equivarium exercise was held in Maldives. What is the meaning of equivarium in the Dhivi language? The correct answer is B, that is friends. Equivarium means friends in the Dhivehi language. It is the joint military exercise, also includes cultural and sports activity to enhance defense cooperation and bilateral relations. The 14 days joint exercises held alternatively in India and Maldives. Which of the following countries topped the 9th edition of US Green Building Council? The correct answer is D, that is China. So it has been topped by China with 1077 LEED projects certified in 2021, which is followed by Canada at second position with 205 projects. The ranking highlights countries and regions outside the US that are doing good in healthy, sustainable and resilient building design, construction and operations. Ungalil Oruvan is the autobiography of which of the following person? The correct answer is D, M.K. Stalin. The autobiography will talk about his young years, including his school and college life, his film career, marriage and political life till Misa in 1976. Madhabi Puri Buch was appointed as the first woman head of which of the following organization? The correct answer is B, that is SEBI, that is SEBI. Madhabi Puri Buch took over as the new chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Board of India on March 1st, 2022 for an initial term of 3 years. And she was appointed by the government and replaced the outgoing chief Ajay Tyagi, whose 5-year term ended on 28th February 2022. India's first e-waste eco-park was approved by which of the following state union territory cabinets? The correct answer is C, that is Delhi. So the electronic waste eco-friendly park is to be built on 20 acres in Delhi. Nearly 2 lakh tons of e-waste are thrown by Delhi every year, and this eco park will recycle, refurbish and dismantle e-waste in a scientific and safe way. Who was nominated for Laureus World Breakthrough of the Year Award 2022? The correct answer is D, that is Neeraj Chopra. So Neeraj Chopra is being selected as one of the 6 nominees for the 2022 Laureus World Breakthrough of the Award. The 31st edition of Southeast Asian Games will be held in which of the following countries? The correct answer is C, that is Vietnam. So the game will feature 40 sports and 526 events. Which of the following became the first country to allow drones in civilian airspace? The correct answer is A, that is Israel. So Israel commercial drone operations require a license. While flying, drone pilots must maintain a clear line of sight with their drones, and drones are not permitted to fly higher than 50 meters, or we can say 164 feet above the ground. Milan 2022 is a multilateral exercise of the Indian Navy conducted in which of the following places? The correct answer is B, that is Vishakhapatnam. So the 11th edition of Milan was held from 25th Feb to 4th March in Vishakhapatnam, and it was the largest edition of the exercise and was the first time it was held in Vishakhapatnam under the Eastern Naval Command. Odisha's first tribal chief minister passed away recently. What is his name? The correct answer is D, that is Hemananda Biswal. So Hemananda Biswal is a Bhuyan tribal from Jharsuguda district, served as the chief minister twice from 1989 to 1990 and 1999 to 2000. Which of the following launched India's first ABDM, that is Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Integrated Health Locker? The correct answer is B, that is Doc Prime Tech. The Doc Prime Health Locker enables user to create digital health IDs for themselves and their family members and activate their Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Integrated Health Locker, where they can securely upload, store and manage all their health records electronically and as well as share with their doctor. Which of the following countries became the world's newest republic in 2021? The correct answer is D, that is Barbados. So the Barbados Labour Party government of Prime Minister Mia Mottley announced in their throne speech that Barbados would become a republic. Which of the following won the best female debut honor at Paralympic Sport Awards 2021? The correct answer is C, that is Afni Lekhra. So she is a Indian shooter and who has created history by winning India's first gold medal in shooting at the 2020 Tokyo Paralympics. Won the best female debut honor at the 2021 Paralympic Sports Award. Who was the winner of the singles title of Acapulco Open 2022? The correct answer is B, that is Rafael Nadal. So, Rafael Nadal has won the 2022 Mexican Open, his fourth victory in the tournament. What is the theme of Rare Disease Day 2022? The correct answer is D, that is Share Your Colors. This year, the theme of Rare Disease Day is Share Your Colors. With this year observance, the organization will try to influence policies to improve the lives of people living with rare diseases. Who was appointed as India's first National Maritime Security Coordinator? The correct answer is C, that is G. Ashok Kumar. So, G. Ashok Kumar was appointed as India's first National Maritime Security Coordinator and former Vice Chief of the Navy. In the Union Budget 2022, it was said that the aim of the government is to lower the timeline of winding up of companies to dash from 2 years. The correct answer is A, that is 6 months. So, the Union Budget 2022 proposes to accelerate corporate exit by reducing the timeline to 6 months from 2 years. The move, according to experts, would provide a big relief to firms seeking voluntary wind up of business. Which of the following state governments launched India's first night navigation mobile app in reverse? The correct answer is B, that is Assam. So, Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma, has launched India's first night navigation mobile application for ferry service on the Brahmaputra River in Guwahati, and it was developed by State Transport Department in association with IIT Madras. Ashok Gehlot and Dash led the foundation stone of the world's third largest cricket stadium in Jaipur. The correct answer is C, that is Saurabh Ganguly. So, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and BCCI President Saurabh Ganguly led the foundation stone of the world's third largest cricket stadium in Jaipur. What is the name of the operation run by GOI, that is Government of India, to evacuate Indian nationals from Ukraine? The correct answer is B, that is Operation Ganga. So Operation Ganga was an evacuation operation by the Government of India to evacuate the Indian citizen amidst the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine, who had crossed over to neighboring countries. Tips feature is related to which of the following social media platform? The correct answer is C, that is Twitter. So, microblogging platform Twitter is testing a new tip jar feature globally where iOS and Android user can send money directly to their favorite accounts. As per the budget 2022, what will be the tax charged on cryptocurrency? The correct answer is D, that is 30%. So the government took a conservative stand on taxation by announcing flat 30% on income from digital virtual assets or crypto. And in budget speech 2022, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that 30% tax would charge on income from transfer of virtual digital assets. So the government took a conservative stance on taxation by announcing flat 30% on income from digital virtual assets or crypto. Agri Infinity program was launched by which of the following banks? The correct answer is B, that is Yes Bank. So private sector lender Yes Bank has launched an Agri Infinity program for digital financing solution in the food and agriculture sector ecosystem. Which of the following was the first woman Supreme Court judge of Pakistan? The correct answer is A, that is Aisha Malik. So, in a historic movement for Pakistan judiciary, Lahore High Court Justice Aisha Malik was sworn in as the Supreme Court's first female judge. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.